Hello vlog. I just landed in London. Had to figure out the tube situation, so that was fun. And now I'm on the way to meet up with Victoria. So excited! Finally found Victoria. What have we done today so far?
We watched the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace.
How do you feel about the changing of the guards?
I fancied it.
Okay, so now we are on the way to
Covent Gardens
for lunch.
Oh, and we got our prep.
The membership, right?
Yes, so we're gonna get this coffees 1 and 2 of 5 today.
Oh my god. Where are we, Victoria?
Camden Market. Welcome to Piccadilly Circus. Welcome to Hyde Park, everybody.
Sweet! Alright, check it out. Oh yeah. That's some good shots right there. So cute. Hello Victoria, where are we today?
The egg toilet.
Cheers. Ah, stunning.
Coming at you live from Wetherspoons with our double pitcher of Pims.
Where are we going?
We are going to Paris.
Yeah, you got it. Hello, Victoria. Where are we today?
We are in the Gardens of Versailles.
And what are we doing?
We're going to eat our last macaroons of the day.
Ooh, baby! Cheers! Hello Victoria, where are we?
We are in Nice.
We are in Ez and we are about to do a 45-minute hike. Alright, this is the before.
Things I did not expect to be doing on my trip to Ez.
You know what? I think this is what the people want. They want the real content.
The rugged content.
Made it to Monaco.
Desperados, tequila beer.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, we will cheers and then drink up. Where are we?
On the Eiffel Tower.